Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In my previous video, I was telling you that the price line of Bitcoin has formed a bearish reversal pattern on the daily time frame, and even though it is breaking down the support of this bearish reversal pattern, but on the other hand, the price line has formed a falling wedge pattern, that is a bullish reversal pattern. Therefore, we should be careful and we should at least watch for the closing on the daily time frame. If it will be closed below the support of the rising wedge on the daily time frame, then we can consider that the support has been broken down. Otherwise, it can be reverse bullish. And you can see that this was the rising wedge pattern I was showing you on the daily time frame. That is considered to be a bearish reversal, and this is the falling wedge formation on the 4-hourly time frame chart. That is considered to be a bullish reversal pattern. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price line will break down or it will be moved down, or it will continue its rally towards the upside from here or not. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this chart. This is the daily time frame, and yesterday we were watching that we were below the support of the rising wedge, and I told you guys that we also have some additional supports as well. Like we have this 200 simple moving average. This yellow line is the 200 simple moving average, and this red line is the exponential moving average 21. And you can see that since this rally has been started, the price line is using this EMA 21 very well as a support, and after every retest it is starting the next rally towards the upside. Therefore, it is possible that after this recent retest, the price action will continue its rally towards the upside. And you can see that here the price action broke out this simple moving average 200, moved down, tested this 200 simple moving average again moved up, and again moved down, and tested this 200 simple moving average again. For a while, only for one candlestick, the price action was completely closed below this 200 simple moving average and again moved up. And now this is the third time the price line was testing this simple moving average 200 on the daily time frame, and it is likely to have another bounce by this 200 and exponential moving average 21 very well. And now we can expect that the price line can again reach the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. This time, if the price line will be reached, the resistance that will be approximately at $51,500 if the price line will hit here. Now I would like to show you the stochastic again here. Previously we were watching that on the 4-hourly time frame, the price line is moving very much synchronized with the signals of stochastic on the 4-hourly time frame, with the combination of this pattern. You can see whenever the price line is reaching this support of the pattern and the stochastic is hitting the oversold zone, and after that, when we are receiving the signals, the buying signals by the stochastic, then the stochastic is entering the overbought zone, and the price line is also visiting the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. Same thing happened again here when the price action reached here at the support, and this stochastic visited the oversold zone, and again we received the buying signal by the stochastic here. And you can see that the price action started moving towards the upside and reached the resistance once again. And this was the thing I was telling you, that the price action is repeating again and again within this pattern. And this time again, the price action was at the support, and you can also see that a little bit below the support, and this stochastic also entered the oversold zone, and we received the buying signal from this oversold zone. Therefore, now the stochastic has entered the overbought zone like previously it has been entering the overbought zone, and the price line is following the signal of the stochastic, and it has been following the signals previously. Same as like that, it is following this signal, and we can expect now it can reach the resistance of this pattern. So it depends where the price line will move. For example, if it will be moved in this way a little bit sideways and move up, then we can expect above $52,000. Or it will be moved up straight ahead like this, then it can be 51 or $50,000. Now let's take a look at this small time frame, 4-hourly time frame chart. And I told you guys that this is the bullish reversal pattern that the price line has formed on the 4-hourly time frame, and we are completely in uptrend. Even if we switch back to the daily time frame, we can see that we are in uptrend, and on the 4-hourly time frame we are also in uptrend. Therefore, there are strong chances that the price action will break out the resistance, because at one side this is the bullish reversal pattern, on the other hand we are completely in uptrend. Therefore, it can be a fake out there. And now you can see that the price line has followed this bullish reversal pattern and broken out this resistance of the falling wedge. The technical target of this falling wedge can be the tail of this falling wedge, that is approximately $50,500. But if we take a look at the resistance levels, then here we can see that we have a very strong resistance zone here that is starting from $48,000 from here and going to $50,000, and the price line is again and again, you can see, entering in this zone and getting rejected again and again. This is a very critical zone for the price line to cross up to start the next big move towards the upside. And you can see previously this zone has been breaking as a very nice support. Here it was breaking as a resistance, here it has been breaking as a resistance again, and here it has been breaking as a support, and here as well, and now again it is breaking as a very strong resistance. Therefore, the price line need to break out this resistance on from $48,000 to $50,000. But I want to draw your attentions to a very strong buying signal that is getting appeared on the daily time frame. And here I have placed the different simple moving averages with the time period of 200. This yellow one is 200. Let me place some text here, it will be easy for you. And this green one is 50 simple moving average, and this blue one is 25, and this red one is 100 simple moving average. And now you can see that 25 simple moving average has crossed up the 200 simple moving average. 100 is also moving up, and look at this 50 simple moving average, how aggressively it is moving up. And you can see that it is getting closer and closer to this 200 simple moving average. So we are going towards a golden cross formation very soon, within next few days. And once we will have this golden cross formation, then this golden cross formation can break as a very nice support, a long-term nice support for the long-term rally, like previously it has been doing whenever we were having these golden crosses below the price action. Especially when these golden crosses are formed below the price line, we were having very nice supports for the long-term rally in the previous past history of the Bitcoin. So I want you to keep an eye on this move of the moving averages on the daily time frame. We need to watch it very keenly, because this is very important signal for the long-term move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I have shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.